No problem.
Just look at Ryan.
Just loading up the plan. What happens is basically I'll be watching it here on the screen, so I can see what his altitude, his speed is. I'm gonna be able to tell relatively where it is, and I can tell if you come home or if anything bad happens. But you guys be able to crowd around in a minute.
Where's the beacon light on? You're on autopilot now, no?
Yeah. So you guys can come here if you want to see.
You can see it on the computer screen, right?
You can take a look at what's going on. It's gonna fly 394 meters. It's at 137 right now. It's should be at 52 K/h, flying at 72 kilometers an hour. Throttle 100%. It's got its horizon.
I lost it.
So yeah, you will.
Yeah, there you go with the tower now.
So you're doing this field here?
Doing this one here.
Now we're into this one.
Yeah. So actually, I'll show you that.
I think she's headed for Halifax.
This is the flight I programmed, so we got these pictures. This is where all the red spots are where. Sorry, it's a little bit hard to see. Red spots are where it's going to take pictures there. And that's the field right across from us. We're here. So it's going to do this about 4 times. And it'll come home.
Program that you don't physically have to sit here and
No, I wouldn't
That's
be able to
why
fly
he
at
goes-
2,000 feet.
He goes on Google Earth and just
Yeah.
picks a field, or you can use my coordinates off of GPS.
Yep. So
And
it's
just program the plane with it.
that's the flight plan, and then you watch it like it just lands right in the crop. You try and stall as much as possible. A little more wind is easier, but
So can you tell when it's coming back?
yeah.
Heard about that?
You should be right above it.
That's about 100 meters lower than what I usually fly at. Or no, 200 meters almost.
How wide an area is that?
I'm usually about 600 meters. What's the, sorry?
How wide of area is that?
It's going to take a picture of there. That's going to be about, each picture will be about 10 acres, I say, maybe something around there. But like I said, you get so many, you got to overlap them, and then some of that camera stitching software puts it together.
At the end of it, they're turning, heading back.
You'll lose at the turn sometimes because of the white lanes, but yeah. We're doing this thing.
So when you're taking pictures of the field, how far off the field is it taking to make sure you get the whole field?
You get that. It's like
Oh, I see.
front row camera.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's autopilot. Yeah. Yeah. They're all the same. Right here. That's kind of scary.
A little bit far, but. And this may be like a plus 0.6, and down here might be like a minus 0.4. They're just a value between -1 and 1, but you apply symbology and you can see contrast in the field pretty good. This is actually probably there's a bunch of different fields and they're different crops, so they're contrasted individually in between. So this may be a pepper field. I think there might be some gourds here. I think this field was corn. So you don't compare corn vegetation to, you know, potato or pepper vegetation. You compare them individually to the field, what's in it, and then you can get a pretty good map of what's going on. But you never see that. You never see that from the field looking at it. But you fly some of these fields and you can see quite a bit of contrast, and then you can go and pinpoint exactly where in the field you got to go. I just gotta wait for it to load up and then give it a toss. So usually there's cameras on there.
Be a little lighter loaded, we go faster now.
Okay, yeah. Rigid, and you go.
What you can do is you can detect the stress areas and then go find if it's right or not, and then say if it's right or not. So what we think we'd be able to do with a different camera than that is actually target a certain white hits it, and we should be able to detect that out.
I've also seen, you know, I saved it up online. Well, here we go. Basically what I did was
Well, not quite as far out this time.
Down on the road, that's the big thing.
First time.
Carmen Joseph. He turned it. Carmen was there one day, and his dad made up a expense account. He gave it to Carmen and had on a pair of work boots on. And so Carmen looked at all. Carmen said, "Now, Ed," he said, "you know we can't buy work boots for you." And he passed it back to him. They took it in the office, came back out, and had the same total on it. And he said, "Now find the damn boots."